They came to see you all glammed up.
Can they see
Who
me?
you want to see? Me. Ain't nobody coming to see you, Otis. Oh. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by XrsBeauty or XrsBeauty, however you want to say it. They were kind enough to send me another unit to review for you guys. Now for today's video, we'll be showing you guys 2 different textures on one wig. I haven't tried a unit like this in a while just because I feel like the textures don't really give what they're supposed to be given in the state that they're in. You get what I'm saying? Like when it's straight, it doesn't really give me straight. When it's curly, it doesn't really give me curly. It's kind of like in between. So I wanted to see if this brand could kind of change my mind a little bit, okay? So make sure you stay tuned for my thoughts on this. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
From the first whistle we go all in and one. Numbers up and never falling. Feel like I hit the lottery and proud of me, yeah. No babe proud of me, so I throw pride away. She know I stuck to the plan and I stayed out the way. Now we're spending no money, never touching the bank. Just for me the game and I'ma get it done. Don't do it for fame, do it for the ones. Ace with cigar, my damage my lungs. Wifey want to drive, she get what she want. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride. Gone bro, no lead. Make it easy like 1, 2, 3. Go, on 3, 2, 1. I fly till you can't see me. Swish, yeah. Ballin', from the first whistle we go all in and one. Numbers up and never falling. My baby called me and said she need to stay. Be for real, 25 the other type of kid. Stop playing with me, you know that you here to stay. Stop playing with me, I'll be back home in 8. Know I'm on the go, but I'm not over you. Made you far from home, but I'm so close to you. Gotta get that back like I'm supposed to do. Had to rush that re-up cause I'm overdue. I like getting money, I got time to get it. Target on me, so my car's a tenant. Dancing with the devil, I don't bargain with it. Bobbing in the dash and the stick is with it. And I hit the 4-5 on the west side, but I'm from the east side. This how we slide, this how we ride, yeah, yeah, this how we ride.
I had been crying for weeks. How'd I survive when I could barely speak, barely eat, on my knees?
But that's the moment you came to me. I don't know what your love has done to me. Think I'm invincible, I see through the me I used to be.
You changed my whole life.
Don't know what you're doing to me with your love.
I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. A superhuman heartbeat in me. Nothing can stop me here with you. Superhuman. Strong, since I've been flying and righting the wrongs. Feels almost like I had it all along. I can see tomorrow.
Where every problem is gone because I flew everywhere but love inside of me. It's unbelievable to see how love can set me free.
Changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me with your love. I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. A superhuman heartbeat in me. Nothing can stop me here with you. Superhuman. Superhuman. Strong, since I've been flying and righting the wrongs. Feels almost like I had it all along. I can see tomorrow. Where every problem is gone because I flew everywhere but love inside of me. It's unbelievable to see how love can set me free. Changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me with your love. I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. A superhuman. It's not a bird, not a plane. It's my heart and it's going away. My only weakness is you. Only reason is you. Every minute with you, I feel like I can do anything. Going, I'm going away. Love, you changed my whole life. Don't know what you're doing to me with your love. I'm feeling all superhuman. You did that to me. A
Okay, so I went on and showed you guys my install for this joint, but let me go ahead and put on my glasses because I feel like my glasses just kind of make the look that I'm going for. You know what I'm saying? I don't wear these joints for fun. I gotta see, all right? Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from XrsBeauty. It is their wet and wavy bob. It comes in a natural color, 10 to 16 inches, 150, 200, or 250% density. It also comes in a 13x6 brown lace or clear lace frontal, as well as a pre-plug hairline, natural baby hairs, and an elastic band to make this unit glueless. Now, all my specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you definitely can. The unit off the pack looked really good. I was really impressed by the hairline. If you already seen my other unit from this company, I did the clear lace, where pretty much melted down with like no products. I'm pretty sure they sent me the brown lace on this joint. It was giving off more of a brown tint, so that's why I said that. And with that, this joint melted down to my skin pretty much to perfection. I mean, now when I put the unit on, I was a little scared because I'm like, man, the hairline is looking a little janky, okay? And I don't want to rock it like that. But when I brushed them hairs back, ooh, child, like I was like, okay, here we go. Listen, y'all saw what I did with my install, right? Like I didn't do any type of crazy swoops, and y'all, this is looking good. Y'all saw my face with the install, did you not? Here it is again, okay? I was trying to find the lace with my glasses on, okay? With the glasses, sis. Hello? Do you see the lace? Can you find it? Okay, I know somebody's gonna be like, I can see it right there. No one is talking to you, Brenda, okay? I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the ones who understand lace to skin situationship, okay? They know that you're gonna see a little bit of lace because, you know, it's not actually skin. I mean, we did what needed to be done, okay? We did what needed to be done. Now, when it comes to this hair, it already comes in the straightened texture out the pack. So, you know, I appreciate that because I was not trying to go in and blow dry and straighten the whole curly wig. I wasn't trying to come out and do that right out the gate. Now, because it does come in the straight texture, you will need to go in and kind of, you know, press through it just a little bit because it is folded up in the packaging when you get it. So, you know, it will create that crease in the middle of your head. And, you know, you don't want that. I will say to use a heat protectant on the unit just to be safe. Even though this is a revertible texture, I just want to, you know, make sure that it lasts, you know, a while. I was trying to find my heat protectant, but I still got some stuff packed up from the move and I still, I can't find it. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and take my time and, you know, not put too much heat on this unit. I used my Remington flat iron and I kept it on, I think it was 360 to do that. And I just pressed through it as much as I could without putting too much heat on the unit. So that's why mine is kind of looking still a little bushy, but I'm not mad at it because I still feel like it gives me a natural look. The ends are a little teeny bit scraggly. I did go on and just chop some of the hair off of there, so I didn't have too many split ends. I'm not mad at how this is looking on me. The texture is really soft. I feel like it took the heat really well. Now, I don't know what texture this is. I don't know if this is like a light kinky or, I mean, it could be considered a light kinky, kind of, sort of. I will put it down below though when I do find out, so you guys, you know, will actually know what the texture is. So what do we think about the sleek look? Okay, the sleek look is definitely something I can feel like I can wear to, like, you know, work, and I can wear it to, like, you know, chill or whatever. I could probably pin this joint up in like a little ponytail and go with that. Okay, so you want to rock it in a ponytail. Just kind of bring the hair down like that. Like, y'all, she cute. Okay, like you can't tell me that's not me. What? I think it's really pretty, and I'm actually feeling how this is looking on me. I don't even want to wet it because I want to rock it like this for the rest of the day. I'm a little bummed about it. No shedding or tangling with this unit. It looks really good. That hairline, y'all, is just, ooh, this is probably one of my favorite hairlines on my channel. The way this is looking on me, like, this is definitely one of my favorite hairlines on my channel. Okay, very natural, very airy. I'm feeling it. Okay, I'm feeling this. Yes. Yeah. I mean, dang, can you hold on? Like, I'm just trying to get my little time in real quick. They want to see me. They came to see you all glammed up. Can they see me? Who you want to see? Me. Ain't nobody come to see you, Otis. Oh, let's go ahead and wet this joint down, okay, so she can be seen too. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap it so I don't lift up my lace, because if I lift my lace, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, let's see if this works. Said 2 minutes, so okay, spraying and spraying. Use our brush to kind of work it through. There she go. I was wondering where she was at. Okay, she getting back up there, y'all. She getting back up there. Okay, and then I'm gonna diffuse it on cool and high. Okay, Okay, so she's still drying down and she's actually still curling up. So if you're gonna go ahead and jump into the water or you get a little shower action or whatever and your hair get wet, you don't gotta worry about it, okay? You still gonna have a cute look. Pick this on off. Still look good, I think. Let me put my glasses back on because I can't see. Okay, the curls are cute. The curls are cute. Okay, I was a little skeptical. Hush, hush. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. Okay. Which one y'all like more? Y'all like the straight or you like the curly? Huh? What we thinking? Okay,
Yeah, get out the way. Get out the way so I can sit
man,
there
can't
and
have
you can
nothing.
see.
See me? Okay, look. How we sitting? Okay, how we sitting? Y'all know we sitting nice. She was all worried for nothing. Like, what you worried for, sis? I know. I got this, okay? I got this. Shorty doo-wop with the curly bop, okay? Yes. A little side action, okay? And then to the back. Here we go. All right, to the back. Okay, so listen. She looked good. And that hairline is still sitting. I'll give her that, okay? Her hairline was sitting. She got us on together. But the curls, okay? It's the curls. I definitely dipped more than a toe in the water today. You hear me? And I know she's gonna be worried. Okay, she's gonna be worried about the whole, oh, will it revert back? Okay, yeah, let's try it. So I'm gonna do this little, is that curly enough? Yeah, that's good. Blow dry this joint on warm and high. Where'd my light go? Okay, if I press her out like that. Okay, look, see? But let's spray her back down because that's what I wanna do today. I wanna wear her curly now. She's gonna take a little minute, but it's all right. Get the water. So there we go, y'all. There we go. Which one do you like more? Okay, Betty Bop over there or Your Majesty? Okay, which one? Get thee behind me, okay? Now she gonna cost some coin, okay? She gonna cost some coin, but you do what you want to do with your money. You hear me? You do what you want to do with your coin, and that's that on that. But that is all we got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to XrsBeauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so you guys want to check this unit out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.